Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I've got another canvas from Crafty from their Paint by Numbers range. So let's get inside. The box is the same as the previous one that I unboxed, aside from it having a different thumbnail. So they're great boxes. They come really well packaged. I received 2 of these together in a bubble mailer. Okay, so let me just move you up a smidge. There we go. You've stopped wobbling. Okay, so we get our little thank you card tucked in there, and then we get everything else that we need in here. Instructions for how to start, things to know, and details of where to go if you want to watch some videos that might give you some information on how to do paint by numbers, all inside the box. It's really great, perfect for storing everything while you're working and in between sessions. Let's get into here. I really love the way that everything's packaged. So, we have got, here is our little miniature picture colour reference guide, which also tells us which colours we're going to be using. So this particular painting is called Rainbow of Colours. Okay, so we've got our selection of paints. These come shrink wrapped, so there's no danger of them leaking, spilling, drying out during transportation or storage. We also get, we get 2 pots of Brightener. This is to be used on the finished canvas to give it a shinier look once it's all done, and also helps to prolong its life, works like a sealant. We've got our stickers to go on our paint pots. We've got a set of 4 paintbrushes. They are wooden handled, which is lovely. I'm really not a fan of the plastic handled brushes. They tend to be a bit bendy and wobbly, but these are nice. So we get one that is a flat brush, and then we get detailing brushes. There you go. So you can see there's different sizes of detailing brushes and the flat brush for your larger areas. So we've got those. We also get our little stand for our paint pots, which we can fold up and put together. This then provides us with a place to put the paints while we're working, and gives us number references for where to put the pots as well. So not only do we label them with the numbers that we've got here, but we've also got these ones. It seems, yeah, these paint pots, differently from the other ones, these ones actually have a printed number already on them rather than a code. Let me dig out the other set and see what the difference is, because there is a difference. Aha, yes. So these paint pots from the previous kit that I unboxed, they have sort of the painting equivalent of a DMC if you're a diamond painter. It's a sort of a paint colour reference number, which then matches up with numbers on here that tell you what sticker number you should put on. It looks like with this kit that's not so much going to be the case, although we've still been provided with sticker numbers. It looks like they are printed on the lid of the pots as well. So excellent. There's very little chance for mucking up, which is good. really, really good. I chose this image just because it was so colourful and I love butterflies. So I thought this was the sort of thing that would just bring joy into my life a little bit. So let's have a look at the actual canvas. This is a bigger canvas than the first one that I unboxed, so we will see. Once again, this is an artist quality linen canvas. It is pre-printed. Okay, so we can get most of you in shot. I don't want to go up too far because you lose any resolution. Okay, so one of the things that I love about the Crafty's paint by numbers is that the canvases come with these light shaded areas, which really helps you to pick out where you're supposed to be putting each colour, because it gives you a sense of the lights and darks in the painting and what is background and what is foreground. This is something that was missing from some other paint by numbers companies that I've used. The printing on this is so clear. The outlines are all in red, which should mean that they'll be nice and easy to cover up, because we've got a very dark background and then very warm colours in a lot of the butterflies. So what we've got is all the numbers. I will move you in for this so you can have a look at how clear the printing is. There we go. If we look at this big butterfly here, so this is this butterfly that we're looking at here. So these darker shaded areas are going to be the darkest areas from our little thumbnail. Excuse me. And you can see all the numbers that we're going to need for the paint very clearly show up. If there was a point at which I had painted over the numbers and I needed them to check that I'd done the right thing, we also get this schematic, which gives us everything that we would need. It is literally just a black and white copy of the canvas. So that is brilliant to have. Just to give you some information on this, this canvas is 40 by 50 centimetres, and that is the image size. Sorry, get you back in shot now. Yeah, so it's 40 by 50 centimetres, but the actual canvas size is bigger. So the picture, the painted area, is 40 by 50. This is, let's have a look. So this set is £26 on their website. If you spend more than $85 US, you will also get a free tote bag. I love mine, it's great. I'll pop a picture of it here. So there are lots of options, and this the $85 can include a mixture of diamond paintings and paint by numbers. So it's a great opportunity. If you're ordering one, you could try out the other if you've never done it before. I think that's really good. Shipping was great. It was fully tracked. I had no issues with that at all. And the customer service that I've received has been fab as well. So I really have no complaints yet. I'm just looking forward to getting started. I will definitely be, much like the other paint by numbers, I will be posting progress videos, probably in the form of time lapses. Whether I'll do just one or a couple of short ones, I don't know yet. This is obviously a slightly more complicated canvas than the first one I unboxed for them, so that remains to be seen. But I do hope that you will follow along with the progress and see how I get on. If you would like to try out Crafties for yourself, I do have a link down in the description, and additionally there is a Crafty code down there should you want to get a little bit of money off as well. I will pop a link up in the iCard to my Paint by Numbers playlist, so you can check out the other Paint by Numbers that I have completed and unboxed. And yeah, I think that's all from me for today. So do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.